Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Sorry the video took a second there to start to record. A little bit of a pause, sorry about that. So we're going to talk in this video about FET and ASI Crypto. So what's going on with price action? We are trying to reclaim a pretty significant level here. We're going to talk about that as well as some price targets for the future. So let's jump into it, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. And like I said, price targets for the future. But as we know, crypto moves fairly fast, and FET has shown that over the last 30 days or so. And we could potentially be seeing these levels again very soon, in my opinion. FET price is going to be targeting obviously all-time high, $3.40 after the breakout. And here are the key levels we need to watch and basically work our way up towards this level. So this is not going to be an overnight thing, but crypto does move fairly quickly, so it could come a lot sooner than we think. FET's seen remarkable performance in the last 2 weeks. We know AI crypto tokens saw a significant increase, surging over about 60% a week ago. In the last 24 hours, the token had recorded a 4% surge, but then it also fell again a little bit there as well. I noticed the market has come into a little bit of a downturn in the last couple of hours, and FET has followed that as well. But it was retesting a crucial resistance level that could propel the price near all-time high. So we're going to talk about that. So whale activity about a week ago when the FET's on-chain developments fueled the bullish momentum over 60%. The drive pushed the cryptocurrency's price to a high of $1.46 on Tuesday. We haven't seen those levels since July. And I know I talked about, on X, I talked about, the significance to me for the 4-hour chart showing, a positive momentum up. That's basically what I was looking for. I was looking for that buy signal to flash on the 4-hour, and it did. And then, we had that back in July as well, where we had a pretty decent run. So we do have to hold. The token retested the $1.20 range resistance level over the weekend, unsuccessfully reclaiming it, but holding above the $1.10 price range. So in my opinion, I think, we need to keep above that psychological $1 level in order to keep this thing bullish and investors interested, in my opinion. The $1.17 support level is also crucial. It was retested and maintained since late February, when the token's leg up drove the price to its March all-time high of $3.45. And we know how quickly that the market moved back in March there. It was actually pretty incredible to watch. So the token's been in a multi-month falling wedge pattern and registered multiple touch points within the upper and lower trend lines. Crypto Yapper says the token bounced from the huge 80-cent support area a few weeks ago. That's actually where I made my purchase, in that 80-cent range there, just under 90 cents, because I basically wanted to accumulate a little bit, because I sold at all-time high, and I bought back in a little bit at the 80-cent mark. FET's seen a significant jump breaking out of the falling wedge pattern, and if the $1.17 level holds strong, it could move to the next big resistance in about the $1.70 area. Then we can continue the bullish uptrend, and eventually the top side of the formation will be confluent with the breakout target, which will be around $3.40, and he further explained. So that's basically what we're looking at. We can see Altcoin Sherpa also says that he thinks it's, we're still in a bit of a bearish market structure. And he says that it's FET's attempting to form a higher low, which will need to be followed by a higher high to continue the uptrend. I do agree with that. But I also, those levels that we just mentioned here as well are very important to watch, as well as that. Obviously, we need higher lows and higher highs in order to basically reverse our pattern and go into more of a bullish type chart. So he thinks that if we can do that, if we can follow up with that, it most likely has bottomed in the short term. And he said the $1.50 price zone is a super key level for further bullish price action. I do apologize. I have lack of sleep today, and I'm a little spacey, so I do apologize. It's a little hard for me to read a little bit today. It's just I get brain foggy when I'm tired. So I do apologize for that. But you guys get the point. You guys get the gist of it. Things are not necessarily great in September. So we're just going to kind of have to watch things, see how it goes. We could see a fall here, in my opinion. We're either going to see consolidation and then a breakout in October, or we're going to see one last retrace, maybe a little bit of a crash for Bitcoin, taking the altcoin market down with it, like kind of maybe we might even see like a flash crash type of deal, and get ready for the next leg up. There will have to be some, leverage positions liquidated, that kind of thing. So basically, we're waiting to see what happens here. We need the Federal Reserve obviously to cooperate on I believe it's the 18th of September. We're waiting for that date. So the Fed is going to decide if they're going to, cut interest rates and things, and that could pave a bullish. That could start basically a bullish movement for the cryptocurrency market, because when interest rates and things are this high, riskier markets such as crypto don't tend to get as much inflow, and that's really what's suppressing us right now. It's really holding the market back, and we just kind of got to wait to get over that hurdle and move on to the next phase. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.